my channel. So today's video is going to be a full out tutorial on exactly how I got my hair from this kinky curly texture to this straight texture. I will be showing you guys from start to finish on how exactly I do this. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching. All the supplies that I will be using in this video will be down below in the description section. And I also will be showing you guys at the end whether or not this hair reverts to its kinky curly texture after it has been straightened. So if you guys are interested to see exactly how I do that, then definitely keep watching this video. The wig unit that I have is from Ali Annabelle. I have their kinky curly lace front wig and the length 20-inch. The density I believe is about 150%, and the color is in a natural black color. The unit does come with 4 combs in the inside as well as adjustable straps, and I believe the size that I got is a petite size. The lace front does fit very snug to my head, and I did not have to cut the ear tab. So I did want to show you how the hairline looks. The hairline is slightly pre-plucked, but I did go in and customize the hairline some more. So I did want to show you guys exactly how the kinky curly texture is straight out of the box. This is exactly how it is. It's really tightly curled. So the first step that I did is I went ahead and wet the entire wig unit. And after I did that, I went in with a dimming brush and I brush the hair with the dimming brush just to make sure that I get all the loose hair that I got when I pluck the front hairline. Now the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the hair. Now of course the hair is wet, so I will be going in with my straightening blow dryer. I will be applying some heat protectant spray, as you guys can see right now, and I'm just going to blow dry the hair section by section until I see that the hair is dry. And with the straightening blow dryer, it does straighten the hair a little bit, which makes it easier for me when I go in and flat iron the hair with my flat iron. Just to spend some time with you. Charging up the power card, cause we gon' be here hours long. Endless hours on, endless hours. And every time we die respawn, all we do is swipe. This game gon' take a minute, y'all. You will stand in line, waiting on us till we finish. We ain't got nowhere to be. Walking over to the counter saying, read them as you weep. When we redeem our tickets, we be feeling we got cheated, cause all the credits we achieve were only by sweets. Meet me at the arcade, girl, you know that's our fate. I got it, babe, I'll pay, just to spend some time with you. So after I blow dried the hair, I'm now going to go ahead and show you guys exactly my flat iron test to see exactly how straight this hair can get with my flat iron. Now when it comes to me flat ironing or straightening my hair, I always go in doing the chase method. The chase method is using a rat tail comb or one of these little things. I forgot exactly what it's called, but it's pretty much like a wider tooth comb, and it allows you to do the chase method with this comb. So I will be using, I'll show you guys how it looks using this little wider tooth comb to straighten the hair with my flat iron, and then I will go and show you guys how I do the chase method with my rat tail comb and my flat iron. And so that's pretty much what I did. I did apply some more heat protectant to the hair, and then I actually went in with Design Essential Silk Elements, which is this oil that allows your hair to straighten, or pretty much straighten even more. So I went in with both products. I used a light amount because I did not want to weigh the hair down, and I just pretty much did this to all the hair, and I straightened the hair using the chase method. So while you guys are watching me straighten the hair, I did want to come in and let you know my experience with straightening the hair. Now I did not get any type of smell or odor with
taking the wig unit out of the box, when I wet the hair, when I blowed it out, or when I straightened it. There was no smell or odor with this hair whatsoever. With me straightening the hair, I really didn't get any issues with straightening the hair. The hair pretty much straightened when I was blow drying it, and then it straightened even more when I went in with my flat iron. Now I do notice with this type of texture that I will not get like a silky straight bone straight texture, but the hair still will straighten for you. Now when I did straighten it, I did notice that the ends were like a little bit frizzy.
Down, down, left, right, B, A, star, select. Meet me at the arcade, girl, you know that's topic. I got it made up, babe, just to spend some time with you. Okay, 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 okay. Meet me at the arcade, girl, you know that's topic. I got it made up, babe, just to spend some time with you. Down, down, yeah.
Okay, you guys, so I am done straightening the hair with my flat iron, and as you guys can see, the hair straightens very well. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is show you guys whether or not the hair will revert back to its kinky curly texture. And the only product that I will be using is my little spray bottle, and inside my spray bottle is some water, and I added some Aussie moisturizing conditioner to the water and mixed it in all together in the bottle. And I will be going in with my dimming brush just to define the curls.
Girl, you know that's our fate. I got it made up, hey, just to spend some time with you. Down, down, left, right, B, A, star, select. Meet me at the arcade. Girl, you know that's our fate. I got it made up, hey, just to spend some time with you. Okay, 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 okay. I'm charging up the power card, cause we gon' be here hours long. Endless, endless hours on, endless hours. And every time we die, respawn, all we do is swipe. This game gon' take a minute, y'all. You will stand in line, waiting on us till we finish. We ain't got nowhere to be. Walking over to the counter, saying, read them as you weep. When we redeem our tickets, we be feeling we got cheated, cause all the credits we achieve were only by sweets. Meet me at the arcade, girl, you know that's our fate. I got it made up, hey, just to spend some time with you. Down, down, left, right, B, A, star, select. Meet me at the arcade, girl, you know that's our fate. I got it made up, hey, just to spend some time with you. Okay, 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 okay. Meet me at the arcade, girl, you know that's our fate. I got it made up, hey, just to spend some time with you. Down, down, left, right, B, A, star, select. Meet me at the arcade, girl, you know that's our fate. I got it made up, hey, just to spend some.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look after I reverted the hair back to curly. As you guys can see, this hair can straighten as well as revert back to its kinky curly texture. So you guys, if you are interested in this kinky curly texture wig, I will leave all the information down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. And then make sure your notification is turned all the way on so you can get notified each and every time I upload new content. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And then also share this video with someone who would appreciate this tutorial. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.